Welcome back to another DIY. So I'll be showing how I made this big clothing art. The first thing is clothing. I'm using 7 yard of criloline, 7 yard. So just look at it. This is the 7 yard. So I'll be doing a running stitching. I've already tied that part. You can go to previous of my video and check how I made criloline. So I'll be showing you guys, just see what I'm doing along. This is very easy to do. From that part you are going to do a running stitch till you get the last stage. Just see what I'm doing. Keep doing your running stitching. So I will start from that part and I will do my running stitches. So you keep doing it. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy to do. Just keep doing it. Can you just what I'm doing? Just see what I'm doing. You do a running stitch, you bring the thread out, you keep doing it till you get to the last stage. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You can check previous of my video on how to make a crinoline. It's very easy. So this is the middle part. I'm going to close the middle part. Just see what I'm doing. I'll get to the middle part. You close the middle part with your needle and thread. So you keep doing what I'm doing. Just see what I'm doing. Just keep doing what I'm doing. It's very easy. Just a DIY that you can do for yourself. You keep doing this. This is 7 yard of criloline. Just see how big it is. If you want it to be bigger than this, you can reduce. You can add to it. Sorry, and if you want it to be short, you can just reduce it. But this is a big criloline. You just keep doing it. You sew in and out. Just see that part. Sew in and out. See what I'm doing is very easy. Just sew in and out. Just see what I'm doing. You sew in and out. Just see what I'm doing. Keep sewing. Keep sewing. Then I'm going to use your hand. Can you see the shape is already out? The shape is already out. The shape is already out. The next I'm going to do now, I'm going to just look at the down. I'll go to the down part and sew that down part again. One thing about this clothing, you have to tie it very well so that it's not going to lose. If you are using it for a client, if you are using it for yourself, you make sure you tie it very well. You keep, just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. So we'll be going to the next step now. The first step is done. I'm going to the next step now. I'm going to be embellishing it with my flowers, my brooch. Just see what I'm doing. You can just look at that flowers. Just see, I have black, I have pink, I have peach. Just I have many colors. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm going to cut that part out. I'll cut this part out and I'm going to use my hot glue to glue that part. I will make use of my hot glue. Please don't try to sew it with a needle and thread because it's not going to make your work very neat. So I'm going to use my hot glue just the way I'm going to use from the brooch. This is my flower. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe at the right red button. Just subscribe and always on a notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you're going to see it. Always comment, always like, always share with family and friend. Just see what I'm doing now. Follow me on Facebook, As of Minon. That is my Facebook illustration, As of Minon. Just follow me. Send friend request to me on Queen Pretty. Just what I'm doing. My Instagram page is Style by Minon. And my Instagram page for my turbans is Turban by Minon. You can check beautiful turban there. Just what I'm doing. It's very easy. Wow. Just look what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you the full picture. I'm going to show you the full picture.